Have you ever coloured a picture in using the wrong colour by mistake? I mean, it's easily done, isn't it? You pick up the wrong felt tip pen, and before you know it, you've got an orange that's blue, or even a banana that's pink, or what about grapes that are orange, or worse still, an apple, oh, that's purple. Weird, isn't it? Can you imagine if nature got it wrong and produced something like a pink dinosaur with purple spots? That's quite bizarre. Or even a blue elephant with, I know, gold stripes on it. Look at that. Oh, that looks quite good. Good, isn't it? I tell you what, this is a really good way of creating freaky pictures. Colour them in using the wrong colours. In other words, make a mistake on purpose. All right, let's try one then. Here's a picture I've drawn in ink. It's just a line drawing. Let's try and colour it in using the wrong colours. Right, now what should we do to start with? What about the sun? Let's colour the sun in green. So I'm just going to put a G in there. What about the clouds? Yellow, maybe? And the sky? None of that blue nonsense. Let's go for pink. There we go. And what about the grass? Blue? All right, blue it is. And the water? Weird. Orange. And let's have some fun with this cow. Yellow and red. All right, in it goes. Okay, let's see what that looks like then. Here we go. Green sun. Yellow clouds. Pink sky. Wow. Blue grass. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. Orange water. What about the cow? Yellow and red. Oh, this is brilliant. I tell you what, you could do this very easily on your computer and keep changing the colours around. Let your imagination go wild. All right, let's finish it off. There it goes. Bump, bump, bump. And finally, last but not least, a leopard skin aeroplane. Wow, that's what I call a real art attack. Try it yourself. Make a mistake on purpose and colour something in using the wrong colour. It's weird.
Now that is great fun. Just draw a picture and then colour it in completely wrong. Guess who? Actually, I think I look rather dashing.